Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE haka santrik jemang kalapan benaya ke result jong ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC examination Al-Hajar Al-Husan na ka Science, Commerce, but Arts stream haka ba ka Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong kalatam haka Science stream karba ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalalam khamat haka Commerce ka St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalawan haka kerdan nyngkong ha Art stream. Haka Science Stream ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Kabadon ha Mokurdub Jowai West Giant Hills, sa Shisin kilala biang banle bha haka ni ka examine, haka ba armut ikna school jongka kilarung haka top 10. Ka Risa E. Christine Suting, kalayo ya ka kerdan basan, sauspa andri puwe marks, katba ka Rila Naika Sari, kalayo ya ka kerdan bakhandai sauspa san pu armarks. Kani kajing job jongki kapan pau ya kajing nangkiu ki jaka puli ki badon wat shabar na Shillong. Haka Science Stream usap tarshi bhata charji na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo ya kekerdan meningkong sauspa prapulai marks katba ka Drishana Roy Chaudhry na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo ya kekerdan baar sauspa nyokunyo marks katba ka Shweta Sarma na St. Anthony's Ru kalayo ya kekerdan balai sauspa nyopulai marks. Haka Commerce ka Disha Chokani na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo ya kekerdan beningkong sauspa prapuway marks. Labut na Unishan Talukdar na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ubayo ya kekerdan baar sauspa nyopudriu marks katba udipankar barwa uban na Laban Ru ulayo ya kekerdan balai sauspa ndripu pramarks. Haka Art Stream, ka kerdan ningkong ngayo daki Argut, u Albert Mate, bat ka Ida Wantli Shisha Swear, kibana St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School Shillong, bat kilayo sauspa sanpusan marks. Ka Nelly Mary Humdej na St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpo, kalayo ya kekerdan baar sauspa sanpuwe marks. Katba ka Safilia Watlang na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, kalayo ya kekerdan balai sauspa sanpo marks. Habakennya kejing pass percentage na pedeng ki lahajar kendai spa RQR, lahajar R spa san pelaingut, kiba pass haka Science Stream, bat ka pass percentage ke long prapuar pun kendai pusau. Haka Art Stream, naka RQR hajar praspa lai pusan, kat prahajar news spa lai pendringut gila pass, kaba ka pass percentage ke long prapuar pun san. Haka Commerce, naki arhajar san spa iwengut, arhajar lai pulaingut kila pas bat ka pas percentage ka long prapuai pun arpupra. Habaro ki live stream ki kenthai kila le bha banya kishin rang. Haka Science ki kenthai kila yo pas percentage prapuar point khandai pusau kat ba kishin rang kila yo prapulai point khatlai. Haka Arts ki kenthai kila yo prapu khandai point lai punyo percent kat ba kishin rang kila yo prapusau point khatnyo. Haka Commerce ka jingyo ajong ki kenthai ka long prapundriu point ripuai percent kat ba kishin rang kilayo prapulai point ripu %. Ka result jong ka vocational stream ru lapan bena ha ka ba khan nyongut ki ba pas bat ka pas percentage ka long prapusan %.
Nyngkong tinga ai ngut shu ble ling ba jong ung yo ikani ka jing ka kuma kala bat ru ai ngut iki kai ka ki na ba school ki ba ai na ka jing kai ya principal ki baju yang ong be ingi tani yang minat bat kham tam ri ki pa ki ba kersanya kiba ayang at sport kiba ngadang kam niki bat ru kiba hayang bahasan ki pada project kajing pin krek ka ngam de buat hanya ka study schedule namar ba kidan ki kajing ja ting apang mashitam te henry ngayang minat salong consistent and I put in my hard work so tangga tahi kajing ngayang minat kidan kijing namar nga di bahasa shitam bet man kapot tikiwan kijing pang kijing staendre wala kataro nga ay duay ble kunaya takabot but ngaru ngay penkre nga maput en hard work ka bangarang yo ipot itak pagkinyat ro ani nga indot ha kijing puli I'll go for degree in shim honors political science and concept katong kay kabansayat bakin yai minat kin dan ya kajing sang bakin bu ya ka hard work na do bastang ka basna bakin di ban bu tay ni kijing puli na mar kat kan ki HD ni bon distractions di hindi ni bu ita inside and we have balance ka lai ni la ban ne ek pin kwa mo in de kan balance lang si chade te hamba ni yo ek thong ka pin kwa pin yo ek goals ki dreams chikma just moving on when after that in ski masters and all but when you ya ka lang PSC exams te ngan pen creation man pen bhasha degree for political science.
It's not something I can answer because it just changes from day by day, like every day, because on how I feel. But I try to study like 4 to 5 hours every day, and some days I don't study at all. When I'm feeling very low, I feel it's important to give yourself breaks as well. If you just keep on studying even when you're not feeling like it, it's useless. Like there are days when 2-3 days I've been there, I've not studied, because I believe when you're well rested, you feel like studying. You're doing it from within and not because someone is forcing you. That is when you can actually get a lot of things inside your head. Day one I started studying. From day one I focused on each and every subject. There was nothing like subject for me or anything. I gave equal efforts to all, and the top thing is that I focused on my concepts. Even my teachers in school, they always focused on concepts. First I study the concepts, I understand how things are going, and if I don't understand, I will always clarify it with my teachers, and my teachers also, even if I ask one thing 100 times, they always like helped me. So that was the two things, consistency and concept.
I have received the second rank in the HSSLC MBOSE examination in 2025.
How was it?
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Sharma and I have secured the third position in HSSLC exam 2025.
So how was the exams?
I was not expecting this good result, but it was okay. Yeah.
I was quite surprised to see my name, but it really feels good.
You did not expect.
I did not expect such good results, but yeah, I expected to be in top 10, but I did not expect top 3.
And what about you?
I was even doubtful about top 10 once, so yeah, it's very unexpected. Preparation was, I just focused on the concept and I just practiced, that's all that I can say.
For me also it's the same. I did not have any routine or anything, but yeah, I always had a target in mind that today I need to finish this, I have to do that, and until and unless I finished that, I did not go to bed. There was no fixed hours, but yeah, it depended. Like if I had to study physics, I gave more time, and I was good in chemistry, so I gave less time there. So it depends like what I'm studying.
I didn't have a fixed routine or anything, just saw how much I could do in a day without tiring myself out too much. I studied till I could study. For me it's chemistry. Yeah. I did not like that subject really.
For me it was physics. Actually it was very difficult for me. I did not like it very much. So, and chemistry was the easiest subject for me. Like exactly.
Yeah.
So what do you plan to do next?
I want to pursue engineering. That's my plan for now.
Yes, I'm doing engineering, CSE. Computer science engineering.
Nagshop ako aban ay kublay tay try kan ran kubala iet bet lakar khu yang hadu kat ne hakajing shisha ngarok ngam klam kmi lenti baka result jong akan bah hadu kat ne nga expect bangan dan ha top 10 nga klam expect bangan poi ha second rank te hakapor bang akrek kon nyngkong ngam da shim serious mo hadu kata ngam da dan kata ka jing thrang ba ong ba ngan pen yo bet hadu top 2 ne top 1 nga ong yela de bang de bandan ha top 10 ngam da dan te kata ka jing thrang ban ong ba hadu banda poi ha kan ka kerdan hadian katu ngalapet benya abat ngalapet bah ba kumno hayeng bat school ro kumju kida thrang hadu kata bangan dawan ra kata ka result ka bah kidon kata ka jing khmi lenti ka bakham shijrong langa te kumta ngala perkhat ba ngala puson bah lada ngam le bah kan long ka ka ban pen sumusi hayeng bat school ro kumju te kumta kat dang jan kising sedang ban pule kot bah no bat ngam da penlut kaya ka por hang ne hang tai tang shulalat ka por khandiat ngalaya le ban penlut be ha ka kon te kumta ka kubor ka bang ako aban ai shkiwe ka long ningkom ning shap phide ban bu ka thong lada phidon ka thong phila ben hadian kata rengkat bat ka thong ka jing trash tom ro ka de ban don lada pi trash tom klampa phila ban khet yo so ubabha ubabang te hadian kata ka consistency ka ba phile ka jo shi ka jo man ka sngi phide ban le ka khandiat mong man chisen pule ne last moment pin bam chisen bam andre khandiat man ka sngi lada pi pule phila ben wala phimde ikhna iba biang hadu kata ban ong inong kumno lade makana average students ru haba phidan ka thong ka jing thrang ka jing trash tom but man ka sngi to penlut ikapor jong phia ka kot phinla ben
Very grateful to God for the gift of good results. Out of 183, we are privileged to have one person who is shining like a star to the school. Her performance, outstanding performance, is really admirable. We thank Nelly Mary Kunday for bringing good result to the school. She is upright, and we really, from the start onwards, I encourage, motivate, and she really kept up her promise that she will do well. She was not able to get top list in SSLC exam, but her hard work, persistence, dedication to the efforts that she made our school proud and herself. Looking at her, I really admire the way that she used to move around in the school. She never skipped from the school unless and until some necessary holidays or for her personal needs or sickness. Otherwise, she never skipped from the school. And even in the performance, other activities also, she was very smart, active. And I who used to inquire from the teachers how is the performance of Nelly. Teachers will always say, "Oh, she's doing best. She's doing her best." So I really admire her approach to the teachers whenever she needed, and she really brought glory, pride to the school. I congratulate the family, the supportive staff, and all my uh, and all her classmates. She not only the teachers, but it is her effort make the school proud. And congratulations, wish her the best.
Any offer from her?
As of now, offering for the support, it is a school management. We'll see to the needs. We have got fathers and school management. If she requires, we are able to help, and we will certainly will support her if it is required.
Ngasmo dap da kamansim ka ngasmo dap da kamansim ka komen hadu kata kata ko ba ngaya lede menem step ha bang pe je result ngam sola mudur shu bang ngam sola ngit shu ilagi jong ki kmat ngala pe arsian lai sin ka result nga check ba nga shem ba ka don sisa ka kerteng ha ka top tu te hadin katu kan por ndang lala ben pediang ya kata ka jing sisa phone bang pentip bar ha bang ya smo ba i para ineli ila ayam da ka jing kemen ngala sngo kta song melung ya lade ro bat kanik pen perkat kenya nga namar ba ngarung ade wini kino hikai bat ngajo hikai abun snem na nina simpos ngadin hikai barem bat mata hikai maurong government apo primary te ngaju ong baro bor ki khana ba todon ka jingtrang balada pidon ka jingtrang to bu rangkat ba ka jingkongu namar ba kun bang ngajo ai nuksai ki baro bor lada pikwa ban poi clear ngi kino hikai nginyele ban kinyet yele ban kersan ya ki na try tambalada ki kim tre ban kiu dalade te kamut kanong leno e yangi hendrei lada ngiru in kersan in kinyet ya ki sejong man poi sakata sakliar te kiru lada ki yele kat bala on poi sakliar kram pep kin poi be sakathong te kunta kalong ka jing kentu moye ki we de ki kana school te mar bineri para kakadu jongan ne sakmangan nomdon sui ki we para gimne khoni ki board exams te ki kana ki nang ki bandang ya khoni ka board exams to bu kan ya ka thong to bu kan ya ka jingtrang ma to ngu ko ngu kan ya ki no hikai ba kun juri mi ki kapai ki bahalor la da ki ai kanu kanu tin sneng kana ma pindu bio ayo so bathiang ha ki jing
happy. We always were optimistic about the results, looking at the hard works the students were putting for the entire year. Of course, they work extra hard, and we are there to guide them. So I think that's what has paid off now. So it's just a great feeling. Extremely happy. I think Edmonds, if you look at the list, I think in Edmonds the positions all they are equally. I mean, we are both male and female, so I don't think there's any dominance in that front. So I don't know about the overall result, but then in Edmonds we have, I think, balance both in commerce as well as in art stream. So we have both male and female. I think they probably occupying the same position. So that's what I think. I don't think there's any imbalance there. So
expectations more.
Yeah, actually we expected some more from commerce as well as from arts. Science, I don't have much idea because I don't teach. But commerce and arts, we expected some more, but then it's okay. But whatever we have, I think that's more than what we what we expect. So that's really nice.
Yeah, we are very excited with the wonderful result. I think the rain outside is a kind of a blessing for our school. In art stream, you got about 6 positions, starting from the first one, first, second, then 5th one, 6th one, and 8th and 9th position. So it's been a hard work that has been put up by the students and the teachers. So we congratulate them all. And in the commerce stream, we just got 2 positions. So congratulations to our students from the commerce stream and as well as their mentors, the teachers.
Pekalong limo ba nakalian jungi kinahikai kaji penkrek kalong berok shisnem mo teaman ba mission class after every chapter tingi chile kiniki question ile revision and then ni dan ru kiniki one-to-one interaction mo ba kiniki students kena bangina baki bakin prepare ba teke ek ba maki kidon kam bangi kinahikai gidon dia ko school penyerap iki tekata ka bangile nakalian jungi kinahikai tenakalian ki kena apa de kolong ba dado na po class ru kis ngapha anything ke bagi don any doubts or anything ki wa ban approach be ki teng ru teng mo ko kom bakin answer ke question ru te ki wan nangi ba ni guide ki properly hadu kini ki objective hadu ki descriptive kumno bakin prepare ha inang mata kini exams kani bro khai am ke de ke jing trishitom lang jom kini kai ba ke juru na kalian juki kena hawangi iba isia kini ka good results this year we expect kampun jing shisha mi dan ki benang kam bit kam yang ni kini ru te to kom ni le re mila kemen rayo mbah dimut minta kini ke this year but kini ki bede yo minta kini ki ba long ki ba mani mila dan bet kini ka high expectation lagi nomor ba kide ki kena ki batrish dan ha ki ba minat but ki ba daru kini ka wisdom the high wisdom kan kalian ka jangti kan bagi dia ki kena ki active smart and very intelligent as well
ka man lo sem ki na tis ke paush kmat jinsha ka science stream kini ki sinam ki bala ledru ki one day kmat re menta ki le khamha ni dok yo jing reungut re lai sau sinam men chuang yo na do first do 10 tang sin antonis but the commerce ru lai sinam men chuang yo na do first do 10 ki art stream berbong ni yo basan sipo kani kam de ke benengkong re jinsha kat jing pek jonga iba kasa ki group prepare mana usum ki bawan don ki group ki batch ki ba ibyang ibet ki mo ki ba trace tom ki ba don ka jing ang start ka jing minot ka juki ni yo ka result ka ba don ki group minta usum ki byang mencipsam ki byang te kasa ki group juki te nak bentar kesin at least kam de ka ba so lungo ba ni yo kan ni jing syam tangi la kia ni don ku ba khalai ngot mencipsam ni don jing hat rangut te nakoi ka por kumbaga oma kasa aki batch prepare mentau senam lada de ha school jungi te yang ni ki science ki biang banding ka bam senam ki commerce pat ki lahir ki arts ki maintain ka average job hi baru ni don ka tactics ni ju pek ni ju ong kena ikino hikai ba ya kitu ki bela nang la start ki bela yo iki max de he ki manang prepare la de rain you don't pat skiwi pat ki balong average so kiwi pat ki balong kham duna te teng ju ong ki kini ki kena ni ju kuntu ba aba pure break la da piton kono jing ki doubts clarification ba ma pp de ban ya kundu ki no hikai kono por pila ban kundu ban clear ki doubts re bangi dang ya ki ju ba mentang iba ki kena ru kimda ki khiatan hadu kata-kata isu kernen bat sungai bangi salah hadin bat prepare last moment pi dia kata orang kini kerja so kau weru kan ka social media ru kerja report kadai ka way gat nak bentak bagi kena la pol sebelah pala hadu bagi melak syuban fokus mo 100% ya ka kot keselah kerja ti dan tentu susu kena juga kinang le bah kadai tang koi bang ni hab nak kalian juga school kinang ya bud din bat tentu bat senang bat I see me ki bat ya kalian tiga bah kalian tiga badai ban pelat por barbor dan maintain ka balance jong ka jing joki hakinu ni benta kalau tak ki le kata ka por ki don kata ka target ki don timetable ka biang at try ki jing tre jongi ka senang one ra shushu ya result ka bakham ba shushu